I'm Dr. Bhavesh Meel. I'm an interventional cardiologist practicing in the field of cardiology. I would like to address you regarding the World Heart Day, which is due to come on the 29th of September 2021. And it is used to create awareness amongst the general population with regards to the cardiovascular disease. As we know, cardiovascular disease has the highest burden amongst all the diseases and is one of the most preventable causes of death if identified early. We have to identify certain risk factors very early during the course of the life. At the same time, we have to prevent those risk factors from progressing ahead so that we lead a healthier life. Most common risk factors which we can prevent are: number one, smoking; number two, stress; number three, increase in the physical activity or moving away from the sedentary lifestyle. So these three factors are something which we can easily prevent. Fourth, diet. Again, we should stress on a healthy diet and thereby decrease the preventable risk factors which can lead to cardiovascular diseases. Smoking, one of the very important causes, has to be stopped with urgency. Sedentary life, most of our people who go to office are sitting in the office for more than 8 to 10 hours a day. So I would recommend that these people should move around the office, or if doing work, desk job, they should do it while standing. And while moving from the car to the office, they should park the car at a distance of 1 kilometer and walk 1 kilometer to their office so that they are able to walk at least 2 kilometers a day during the job. So decreasing the sedentary life is of utmost important. Of late, we have a number of gadgets like health watches in the market, which are very cheap. Try wearing these watches and you will realize how little we have been walking, how little physical activity we have been doing. So this will remind you of the physical activity that you need to do daily. Third, and the utmost important, is a healthy diet. A healthy diet is a diet that comprises of raw things, not processed things. So anything that you take out from the packet, that you take out from, go to the market, take out from the packet, that is your cereals, your biscuits, your bhujiyas and all that stuff, they should be curtailed upon, and you should focus more on natural foods, that is vegetables, fruits, uh, easily available, locally available foods that our grandparents and parents used to give us, and dissociate ourselves from the junk food and easily processed food that is easily available in the market. We should avoid them if we really want to move ahead for a healthy life. And lastly, I would like to recommend people who are above the age of 40 to undergo certain investigations to know about the risk factors. So if you have your first degree relative with a heart disease, say for example, if your father has a heart disease, mother has a heart disease, you have a very high chance of having a heart disease. You should undergo certain investigations, consult your cardiologist, consult your physician. He will order certain investigations for that, and that will help you in identifying certain risk factors which can prevent the disease progression. We cannot stop the disease from occurring, but it can prevent the progression of the disease if identified in a timely fashion. And lastly, if at all one has a disease, we should know the symptoms of the disease. There are lots of campaigns available in the electronic media where the symptoms are elaborated in form of chest pain, any pain radiating from the umbilicus or navel to the chin, which is creating uneasiness, associated with sweating, associated with ghabrahat. This pain should be taken seriously and you should immediately rush to the hospital to get an ECG done. Don't take chest pain lightly. Don't take acidity in which you are having symptoms of sweating and uneasiness lightly, especially after the age of 40 years. We should always seek medical help. Just go to the hospital, get a ECG done. Don't relax and say, look, it's simply acidity and take and sit back. Because time is muscle in myocardial infarction or heart attack. The more you delay, the more the muscle is damaged. And once a muscle is damaged, you cannot get back that muscle. And there are times when your heart functions deteriorate. So it is very important to identify the markers of the disease in form of chest pain, sweating, ghabrahat, and all that stuff. And lastly, certain diseases are associated with more likelihood of developing diabetes, which are hypertension and diabetes. These are the two most common causes of heart diseases. So if at all you are suffering from these two diseases, I would recommend that you should seek medical help and get your investigations done on a biannual fashion as prescribed by your cardiologist or a physician. On the occasion of this World Heart Day, this organization has this year gone towards focus towards the digital part of the health surveillance. And since the COVID pandemic, we have been treating patients on mobile, on WhatsApp, on Zoom calls, and we have realized that this is a very easy way to take care of patients who are placed very much far off, who are not able to easily commute. So it's very easy. We ask them to get an ECG done, just do the WhatsApp of the ECG because there is nobody to read the ECG out there. And then we can recommend whether the patient should at all be shifted to our center or he can be managed locally. So on this year, the motto of this organization is to harness the power of digital health to improve and prevent the management of cardiovascular disease globally in one goal for the World Heart Day 2021. Telehealth has a huge role to play, and as we continue to use heart to beat cardiovascular disease. So on the occasion of World Heart Day, I wish that your heart stays healthy and happy. Take care of your heart, take care of your diet, and always keep your heart in good shape. Thank you.